Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise 11.2, problem number 10. From where in this problem you have given a figure, this type of figure. Problem number 10, you have given a figure, this AC. Again, this point B, A, C, from here, given that this angle 55 degree. Okay, now you have to find, first of all you have to find here angle BAD. You have to find angle BAD. So what is the value of angle BAD in this figure? BAD, sorry, BAC, BAD. You have to find angle BAD, not BAC. You have to find this angle. Okay, you have to find this angle. So from here, first of all you have given that angle ABD is equal to 55 degree. You have given that here, and now also given that angle BAD. You have to find this. Here you can see that angle ADC is equal to 90 degree because AD line is perpendicular on BC. AD line is perpendicular on BC. Okay. So from here we find that angle ADC or angle ADB or angle BDA, angle BDA is equal to also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay, this is also 90 degree. So from here we find that 90 plus 55. 90 plus 55 degree is equal to 145 degree. 145 degree. So from here, now in this triangle ABD, angle A became 180. Angle BAD is equal to 180 minus angle BDA plus angle ABD. Angle BDA plus angle ABD. Okay, so from here 180 minus 145 is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here remains 7. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 35 degree. So it became 35 degree. This angle became 35 degree. Okay, again angle BAD became 35 degree. From here we also find that is 90 degree. Angle ADC. So we erase this, and again we have to find in part number B angle CAD. Angle CAD. We have to find angle CAD. Okay. We have to find this angle. So this angle became also 90 degree and this also 90 degree. So 90 minus 35 is equal to here angle DAC or CAD. Angle CAD is equal to 90 minus 35 degree. Okay, is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here remain 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, 55 degree. So it became 55 degree. Okay, now again we have to find CAD. We have to find this. So from here we know by use triangle property angle CDA plus angle ACD plus angle CDA plus angle ACD plus angle DAC plus angle DAC is equal to 180 degree. Implies that here given angle CDA is equal to 90 degree. So put the value of 90 degree angle CDA and also given that CAD or DAC also given that 55 degree plus angle ACD plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. From here we have to find angle CAD or angle CAD. Now again we have to find angle DCA or ACB. First of all we have to find angle DCA. So angle DCA is equal to angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 55. 90 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 minus 145 degree is equal to 35 degree. Okay, this became 35 degree. Again we erase this. So we have to find angle CAD. So CAD became 55 degree and again in part C we have to find angle ACB. This angle, so also already you can see that this angle is equal to 35 degree. Okay. Again problem number 11. You have given also in this problem of figure, this type of figure. Look very carefully. Here given that this type of figure, given that this point C 40 degree and it also became point A. This is a D point and this point B, it also given that 60 degree. This given that 30 degree. Here a line by dot dot drawn here and this also given that 90 degree. So here we have to find angle BAD. No. Here given that in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 60 degree, given that angle C is equal to 40 degree, given that AL perpendicular to BC, given that AL perpendicular on BC, okay, and AD bisects. So AD bisect angle A such that L and D lie on side BC, L and D lie on side BC. So we have to find angle LAD. We have to find angle LAD. We have to find this angle. We have to find this angle, okay, in this figure. So you have also given here a hint. Angle A is equal to, given that 180 degree minus B plus C. Angle A given that 180 degree minus angle B plus angle C in this figure. So first of all, we have to start from this angle. Problem number 11. In triangle, we have to write here. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 60 degree, given that angle C is equal to, given that 40 degree. So what will be the value of angle A? So angle A is equal to what? By using triangles property, angle A is equal to 180 minus angle B plus angle C. You have also given a hint. So 180 minus B 60 plus C 40. Okay. From here we find angle A is equals to 180 minus 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. Then is equal to 80 degree. So angle A is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Now this is clear that whole angle A is equal to 80 degree. Again, so it is clear that angle A is equal to 80 degree. From here, also again given that angle BAD is equal to half angle A. Angle BAD is equal to half angle A. So angle BAD is equal to half the angle A. Half angle A. Also above given that angle A is equal to 80 degree. Then angle BAD in this triangle. BAD in this triangle, angle A is equal to half A. So A is equal to, given that 30 degree. Then angle BAD. This angle A is equal to 80 degree is the value of angle BAC. Okay. And you have to find angle BAD. So angle BAD is equal to half of angle BAC. So angle BAC half of angle A, and angle A also given that above 80 degree. So 1 by 2 into 80 degree. So 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0. So angle BAD is equal to 40 degree. So this became from here this line became 40 degree. Okay. So angle BAD is equal to 40 degree. Let's again we have to find angle LAD. Angle LAD. We have to find this angle, which we have to find already. This angle we have to find. Okay. So from here, angle LAD is equal to angle BAD minus angle BAL. So angle BAD also given that 40 degree minus angle BAL also already given that 30 degree. So angle LAD is equal to 10 degree, which we have to find. So it's proved. Okay. Yes. And also if we use the property of triangle, then 40 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree, and also it became 40 degree, then 80, 60, 40. Okay. And if we sum these angles, then we find 180 degree, which is the property of any triangle. And also again in this triangle also 60 degree, 30 degree, 10 degree, also it became 40 degree, and it became also 40 degree, and it angle BDA, not given that, but if given that, then you add this, so also became 180 degree, because this is also 90 degree or 80 degree. 60 plus 30 plus 10, 180 degree. Okay. We have to find this, no requiration. Again, in problem number 12, given that a figure, this type of figure, here you have given that this type of figure, E, this is a point B, this point B, no, this is a figure B. We have to draw figure A. Given that this type of figure, C, this is a D point, this B point is 60 degree, this is 130 degree, and this is A. So from here we have to find angle BAC, angle BAC. So angle BAC, we have to find this angle. Okay. So first of all, you have given that here this angle ABC is equal to 60 degree and angle ACD is equal to 130 degree. You know that the exterior angle of any triangle also is equal to the sum of two interior angles of any triangle. Okay. So from here we find that angle B plus angle A also became 130 degree. So from here angle B you have already given that angle B is equal to 60 degree plus angle A, which you have to find out. So 130 degree, then angle A is equal to 130 degree minus 60 degree, minus 60 degree. So angle A is equal to 130 minus 60 is equal to 70 degree. Okay, this is your answer. This became 70 degree. And also, what is the value of this angle? The value of this angle is equal to 50 degree. Okay. From here, if we use property of the triangle, then 60 plus 50 plus 70 is equal to also 180. And if we suppose that this is a linear angle, then also 130 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Again, part B, you have given that, you have given that this type of figure, in this triangle, these two sides are same. Here B, this is C, and this is E. This D, this given that 80 degree, this is A, and this, and we have to find angle ACB and BAC, angle ACB. We have to find angle ACB. We have to find this angle. Okay. So from here we can see that this is a 30 degree. So this is a linear angle. This is a linear angle in this side, and also it became 180 degree. So we can say that the sum of this is part B. The sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degree. So angle DAE plus angle EAC is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So from here this is given that angle DAE given that 80 degree plus angle EAC is equal to 180 degree. We have to find the value of angle EAC first of all. So EAC, we have to find the value of this. Okay. So the value of this is equal to angle EAC is equal to 180 minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. Okay. We find this angle 100 degree. So from here we find that also it became a linear pair. So also this angle became 180 minus 100. So angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 100. Okay, became 80 degree. So it became 80 degree. If it became 80 degree, then the angle before the sides also same. So this angle and this angle is also equal. So angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. You have to also given that already angle BAC is equal to 80 degree. So 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. We have to find out this. These two angles are equal. So we suppose that if here we have to write if angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Why it is equal to this? Why this is equal to this? Because this is the angle, these two angles, because these two angles before the side. So it became 2 angle ABC plus 180 degree. So 2 angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50 degree. From here we find that if angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, then also angle ACD is equal to 50 degree. Okay. So this is also 50 degree and this is also 50 degree. So 50 plus 50 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. This is the property of any triangle. Okay. Now again we have to solve our problem number 13. In problem number 13 also given that this type of figure. Okay, here you have given that, here you have given that this type of medium, this C, this is B, 70 degree. This side is equal to this side, 50 degree. This is here this point B, this point D, this point C, and this angle A. We have to find here angle, the value of angle A. So to find the value of angle A, first of all we see that this side is equal to this side, and already you know that the angle before the sides are also same. So also this angle is equal to 70 degree. Angle BDC is equal to 70 degree because this is the angle before the side of the triangle, okay, because this is the angle before the side of the triangle. So we have to find the value of A. Again, now in this figure in triangle BDC or BCD, in triangle BCD, we get angle BDC plus angle DCB plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so from here you have given that already, angle BDC and angle CDB. Okay, CDB or DCB, CBD. So this is 70 degree plus angle DCB, which we have to find, plus CBD also given that, 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, from here angle DCB is equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 70, 140 degree. So angle DCB is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. So this became 40 degree. Again, we have to find out angle A. So from here in triangle ABC, we get that already we have that B 70 degree, A 50 degree. So 70 plus 50 is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 50 is equal to angle ACB, because here also given that angle B, angle A. So we have to find angle C. So the value of angle C is equal to angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 50, 180 minus 120, then ACB is equal to 60 degree. Here you have also given that angle BDC, angle BCD 40 degree. So angle ACB, angle BCD is equal to angle BCD is equal to angle ACB minus angle BCD minus angle BCD. This is the value of angle DCA. Angle ACD. We have to find angle ACD. So angle ACD is equal to angle ACB minus angle BCB minus angle BCD or DCB. Okay. So from here we find that ACD is equal to ACD is equal to also given that 17 plus 15 120 16. Okay, this given that 16. So 60 minus BCD also given that 40. So 60 minus 40 is equal to 20 degree. This is the value of A. Okay, now time is over, and next problems 14 and 15 you have to solve, and also we solve next day this problem. Now time is over, we stop our writing. Thank you children. You have to also try to solve these problems. Okay, thank you.